Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your Bank of America card PIN. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Bank of America mobile app on your phone and sign into your account using your username and password. Once your account dashboard loads, scroll down and find the debit or credit card that you want to change the PIN for. Tap on the card to continue. On the card details screen, scroll down until you find the card management section. Here, you will see the option called Change PIN. Tap on it. Next, Bank of America will verify your identity using a security code. You can choose to receive the code by text message or phone call. Select the option you prefer and tap Send Code. After receiving the verification code, enter it into the app and tap Continue. Now, enter the new PIN you want to use for your card. After that, re-enter the PIN to confirm it and tap Change PIN. Once completed, your new card PIN will be updated successfully. Keep in mind that Bank of America usually allows PIN changes only once per day. That's it. That is how you can change your Bank of America card PIN using the mobile app. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.